All right, folks, here we go. It's Tuesday morning, and it's shaping up to be a really strong day in the market. So right now, we've got everything up in the green, but look at that NASDAQ up 2.5% in the pre-market. A lot of positive news out there. We talked about it yesterday. News around vaccines. Look at the city of Chicago. Baseball season right around the corner. They're going to start allowing fans on opening day. So we're making some big strides in the right direction, giving these markets a bit of a boost. Now, other markets, you look over at FX, we've seen a lot of strength in that dollar as of lately, seeing a reversal in that somewhat to a degree this morning, seeing some strength in the euro, strength in the pound. We've now got that euro right at 1.19. So nothing major, but something to keep an eye on. Also, look at that dollar yen trade. That dollar at 9-month highs against the yen, up above 109. Now, big week coming up next week. Tuesday, we have that educational event that we talked about. It's an all-day Nadex boot camp. It's virtual. It's free, and you can sign up at nadex.com today and reserve your spot. Again, that's coming up on next Tuesday. Go to nadex.com. You can learn all about it, what it entails. Make yourself a better trader. Again, let's stay strong to those goals that we set out for ourselves at the beginning of the year. All right, folks, let's go out there today. Let's get some. I'll check in with you tomorrow.